Hi guys, my name is Jove and we're the 8th group and we will be presenting our first plate which is about dun sa figure na sinasabi ni Sir. So, we will show you how it's done and ayun. So, let's start na.
Okay, so this is plate one. So we're going to first make our sketch. We're going to do our different circles or base from the front plane. So we're going to plot this first. After that, we're going to use Smart Dimension tool to set the dimensions. 90 diameter, then 65 diameter for the distance from the center point of the smaller circles. Then each small circle is 12.5 in diameter. And we also have two more different circles in the middle, which is 13 diameter and 40. After that, exit the sketch. Then let us extrude. Extrude the base. Let's pick the portions and then edit it. Edit the width. Which is 14.2 inches. And there we have our first extruded body. So we're going to go back to the sketch from earlier. Then we're going to choose the next body to extrude. So for this one, the width will be um, which is 14.2 plus 44.2 plus 6 inches. So that is the second extruded body done. Next is we're going to choose this face, then the third extruded body. Diameter of 38 inches and 50 inches. And then we're going to extrude that one. In two directions. So first is upward, which is 24 inches. And since we added 6 inches to the middle part, we're going back for this one in 6 inches. There we go, that's almost our 3D model done. We're going to add our chamfers. So first chamfer will be at the bottom. This one is 3.5 inches. And next, we're going to also put chamfers on the different edges, which is parang tinansya na lang namin from the given model. Since walang given na dimensions, ginawa na lang namin is 2 inches per chamfer. And there we have it. That's our 3D figure done. And now we're just going to save this one and then we're going to use this part for the template. Put the isometric figure in the center, scale that to 1:15. And then we're going to start adding our dimensions. And that was it. That's our first plate done.